drill, dinner time, breakfast time, lunch, anytime is difficult. Sometimes getting kids to eat anything but chocolate or candy or cookies is a real challenge. If you have a picky eater, you know the struggle, you know the routine. Well, one incredibly talented mom came up with a very creative way, I might say right here, a mom with a lot of time on her hands too, to get her toddler to eat healthy food. I mean, she's done a great job. It's beautiful, isn't it? This is Simba. Let's go to Simba. Let's stop right there. Okay, that's Simba, the Lion King, from the Lion King, made of lentils with rice, a whole meal wrap, and her son's name, oh yes, oh yeah, just to make us all feel really bad, spelled out in zucchini letters, okay? Here's Pinocchio. Let's go to Pinocchio, made of scrambled eggs with spinach, peanut butter on toast, strawberries, and his name, once again, cut out with apples. All right, kids, you have to eat these apples. Mom worked really hard on them. And then there's the Pixar's newest movie, Inside Out, the fear character right here. This one is made of vegetable rice, colored using purple carrots, okay? And coconut chicken with pumpkin letters. I'd eat all that if you didn't decorate it pretty. It sounds fabulous. To see all this lady's creations, this mom's creation, you can head over to our website, WPTV.com. There is a link to her Instagram page. I hope she's honest about how long this takes. This has to take hours, right?